Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Opal Countertop Nugget Ice Maker. Countertop size. With its elegant design, the Opal will wow your guests before they even try the delicious ice it makes. Measures at 15.5 x 10.5 x 17.2 inches, the perfect size for any countertop in your home. Installation clearance 3 inches, sides and back. Quick and powerful. Within only 20 minutes, you'll be enjoying soft, crunchy ice, just like the ice you love from your favorite restaurant. The Opal produces 24 pounds of ice per day, and the bin holds 3 pounds at a time. Smart, the Opal is Bluetooth equipped, so you can set up your ice making schedule from the convenience of your phone using the free FirstBuild app. It senses when the bin is full of ice, so it won't overfill. Portable, no water hookup required, just plug it into any 120V grounded, standard, electrical outlet and fill the reservoir with water. As ice melts, the water returns to the reservoir, where it will simply be made back into more ice. Water quality, use potable water only, 12 GPG, 205 ppm, or less mineral hardness. Operating temperature 55 degrees Fahrenheit 90 degrees Fahrenheit warranty. All Opals purchased directly from FirstBuild or authorized resellers have a limited 1-year parts and labor warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.